Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. Sorry. Tiger King, yeah. So hi, everybody. Uh, Two big things. One, I am still pregnant right now. I won't be forever, right? Okay, so here's the baby if you want proof. There she is. One of the last times you're going to get to see her. She is due on May 1st. She might come earlier. So as of May 1st or earlier, if she comes earlier, you're having a different teacher take over class. It was supposed to be a substitute. Coronavirus happened, so now it's going to be somebody from Lutheran East. You have a different teacher taking over depending on what class you're in. If your third period, it's going to be Mr. Jabs. Fourth, Mr. Becker. Sixth is Mrs. Spiegel. Eighth is Ms. Jabs, and ninth is Mr. Jabs. So they're going to take over and pretty much teach the same way I have been teaching. The only difference is you are going to get help and email, and all of your stuff is going to be graded by that teacher instead of me. I'll be gone. Like, don't email me because it's just going to never get answered again. All right. That's thing number one. Unfortunately, I am leaving. It's not a surprise, but there it is. Thing number two is classes look a little bit different now than they did before spring break. So you're on like a block schedule. So you are only going to 4 classes a day, which is really nice. And you have Wednesdays off from class. That's just like a communication day with your teachers. So the other big thing is you need to go to 1 class at a time. So on Monday, for example, you're going to go to first period and it lasts 90 minutes. Then second period for 90 minutes. Then third, then fourth. Here's how my class is going to work. So you are still going to have pretty much the same structure. You're going to have a check-in question. It's going to be something very easy, like what's your favorite potato chip? You're going to have a video that you need to watch. It's going to be like 10 minutes-ish, maybe less, maybe a little bit more. You'll need to take notes probably during that video and turn in a picture. Then you're going to have a homework assignment. So your check-in question is going to count as your attendance. I make it some sort of easy, stupid question on purpose because like I try to come up with some way for it to just be like an easy thing for you to do to prove that you were in class. I can't make it much easier than that, but I do need some sort of proof like, yep, here they were present, so I can mark you present. If you need to miss class, make sure you are calling the office or having your mom call the office and explain like, hey, blah, 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 is sick, she can't do her schoolwork today or whatever, or our internet is broken today, blah, 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 blah. So check-in is your attendance. Video like before. If you still haven't figured out how to turn in pictures of things, please, please, please call me or answer my calls or like let's figure that out so that you aren't losing all those points. And then for your homework, what we're going to do is 45 minutes into class every day, I am going to start a live like review session, but it's for your homework to go over the problems or whatever. So you will have already watched the video, already taken notes, already started your homework, and now you're like, I'm stuck on number 4. That's where you get to go and enter the live session and just be like, hey, can you help me on number 4? Or hey, can you just make sure I did number 2 correctly or whatever. And that's just like when we were in class, right? If you were working on an assignment, you could call me over for help. Same thing. You just enter the live session and ask me for help. And that'll take us to the end of class. Okay, so check-in question, that's your attendance. Watch the video, start the homework, come see me for questions in the review session. Okay, that's it. Today, your check-in question is, tell me something positive that you did or that happened to you over spring break. My positive thing is, I painted a flower pot. I was feeling down because we're quarantined and isolated and that kind of sucks. And so I painted something and it felt good to be creative. And now I'm going to plant something in it. I don't know what. Okay, all right. I will see you guys later in our review session. Goodbye.